everybody, welcome to our channel. I'm Carmen with a K and this is my husband Tom, and we just bought a dry cleaning establishment. This is our dream property. My husband Tom is a high school English teacher and I am an artist, so this property is perfect for us. With the beautiful tall monitor ceiling and all of those beautiful windows, we are planning on making the front half of the building into my art studio and the back half into our family home. Tom has renovated before, and each property that we have, he usually makes a movie room and some renovations. But we don't have tons of experience. So we're looking forward to the challenge. This is the driveway, which is coming up to a back structure. That little building is going to be an apartment that we can fix up for ourselves and live there while we are fixing the big structure. It is so important that you guys like and subscribe and hit notifications because we live about 10 to 11 hours away from this property, so we can't be here every week renovating, but we want you to know when we add new content so you don't miss a thing. We are excited to be in this historic district of this beautiful southern town, so please join us on our journey and see our progress.